Hello guys, it's Ian with IGT Soft. Today I'll be showing you a subprogram called Code Alert Checks. So this subprogram is for especially for long-term nursing facilities, so they can keep track of code alert checks for all their patients. So to get in, just click on Code Alert Checks. So this is the daily view. So we have all your patients listed here, and then you see that the status here is gray, so it hasn't been done. And over here, there's a column here for comments, for staff, the staff name, action, or view log. If I do like an update, so this is on Alma Mater, so I can just do pass, save. So you see that it says pass, it's green. And if I do like view log, then it would just show like a log of or the history. And we'll just say I changed my mind and it's actually a fail and there's a problem. So I'm just gonna do update. This button here actually toggles between pass and fail. So you just toggle between the two. And under fail, if you do fail and you need to have like a comment. So called maintenance, and over here it would still say it would show pink. And over here when you do view log, it would just show that the first entry was 1356, it says pass, and the next entry 1356 for the same time, it says fail, and it will show the comments. So that so over here we'll just go for the next patient. I'm just gonna do one more. Let's just say if this one pass, so it just shows like pink for fail and then green for pass. Alternatively, your team members or your team can actually put data in or their code alert checks in via a laptop or on the Infosys app. Infosys app would be a much quicker way. It's very mobile. You can just simply do it on their phone, or if they have a portable laptop, they can just bring it around. They can just put it in there and then simply put the data, and they should reflect on the main Infosys program. So if I would go here, this is exactly what the app looks like. It syncs with what I put in on Infosys. So here, Alma Mater failed. We'll just say this time it passed. So same thing on the app, we click on manage and this shows up. You can toggle between the two, pass or fail. We'll just say this time it passed. So you see that this time it's green, and when I go back to the Infosys app, if I would do load, eventually, yep, right now, sorry, I have it on a timer. I only have one computer running, so I think it refreshes every 3 or 5 seconds. So yep, right now it's working. So this is the daily view. So on the app, you can only put in data for the day. So if you want to backdate something, you have to put it on the main Infosys program. On the app, you can only put in for today. So just going further down, gray means it hasn't been done. So we'll just say John Doe is done. We'll just do like pass or fail. If we'll just say if it fail, problem seen, and we just show us pink here. So same thing as over here. I can just do load, and you can see the comment, you can see who put it in, and what the status is. If I move to the next one, so one more thing, you can actually put in the date here. So if I would do load, so this is yesterday's data. If I would go to the 3rd, and this is today's data. So if I would do like a monthly view, so the monthly view would actually show all your patients and along with the entire month. So if I would just go to May, this will show you my entire month. So all the information is very easy to see because green for pass and pink for fail. So if you right click on this, and you can do add entry, and this is where this same window or same form that shows up earlier under the daily view, except you can also do it directly on your monthly view. Alternatively, there's also like a view audit log here. If I click this, then this would show me all the history. Same thing with let me show you something with, well, yep, this one has multiple history. So notice that the color here would only reflect on the most recent entry. So this is the first entry, says failed, and then 6:13, 6:28 it passed, and then it failed again that afternoon. So this will be a quick way to actually notify, or not notify, but rather so you can see if it passed or failed, and it keeps a log of everything that was done for that certain record. If I would go to patient summary, I don't have a lot of information because this shows you the entire year. I only have like information for this month just for testing purposes. So this is by patient. So you can easily see by patient if you're gonna look by patient. This shows you the entire year too, the entire 2025 from January to December, and then these are the days from 1 to 31. The ones that are blacked out, these are like because January only has 28 days, so the 29th through the 31st is blacked out, and so on and so forth. All these days, you can still do add entry if you want, and then put the entry here. So this is by the year, and this is by the month, and this is by the day. So to manage your patients, you can just simply go to manage patients. You can add a new patient here, put in the information, add a patient's information, and then over here you can put the add a picture to the patient and then save. I'm just gonna cancel. Otherwise you can modify patient information too, and you can also change the picture as well. And if you don't want the patient to show, like over here you see that these are my 5 patients, but it never showed Normabates, and the reason for that is because I set her as discharged. So if I just do no, and I'm just gonna go back, then she would be listed as one of the patients that needs an entry. So next one I'm going to show you guys is the view comments. So this will keep like a log of all the comments between a certain time range. So this is between May 1st through 6/3 of 25, which is today's date. It will just show you, give you a list of the patient and the staff that actually did made a comment, and then all the comments on this column. So just a quick way to troubleshoot or keep a log of everything, just in case if a state inspector would show up and then just want to look at the log and make sure that everything's done in accordance to compliance policies. So the last one I'm going to show you is manage admins. So these are users with elevated access, so they can manage the patients, they can and some of the settings that are not they're not available to certain users. So right now everything is available. So if I would take myself off the authorized user, so you shouldn't be able to manage patients or view comments, but just these 3 here would be available. So that's it, guys. So code alert checks is to check keep track of code alert checks within your facility for your patients. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on the email below, or check out my website at Infosys by igtsoft.com. Thanks, guys. That's it. Have a great day.